come here from this village from Gavalakhori and make here the olive oil. And today is the same, but with the new generation olive mill.
Eso es como un colectivo en el días antiguos.
Aquí lo estoy viendo la foto.
Ah, yeah. La gente trae sus olivos para aplastarlo.
Yes, this is with no electricity. It's with very, very big
Sin electricity.
stone. Millstone. This is with 4 millstone. Okay.
Wow.
We can find with 2 or 3 also. This works with the help of animals, usually donkey.
Burritos, yeah.
Yes, and they get around. So the people first harvest the olive, and they came here. They put the olives here. With this stone, they press, they crush the olives, and after this, we have a machine.
Mira, vivió una
The
mascota.
cold press
sí.
machine. That okay now is very, very old. Is that one, the cold
Una
press
prensa.
machine, and this was the yeah the olive oil. One of this is one small oil mill. The biggest one is on our next stop. We're gonna visit. Crete is the name. Is the olive mill of Agios St. George Monastery.
Ah, hay otro que
Yes.
vamos, es the monastery. No, la iglesia.
So,